I certainly have observed a lot of changes in myself in terms of how I approach things in professionally. I used to be really underconfident, and that was basically just an outcome of how things have been going on after uni. Endless rejections and, losing confidence in my own skill set. I was literally doubting everything, my education and the way I was, looking out for opportunities, reaching out people. I thought I was kind of making a mistake, but like I said, it truly took one right step for me to, build that faith in myself again, and to have people who are so skilled in what they do, place that trust in you and tell you that you're not doing anything wrong. It's just a matter of time and things will fall into place. And here at the mentoring program, I was offered that. I had mentors who were really supportive, who made me believe in myself. And eventually I gained back my confidence. I started, doing things differently. I started seeing things with a different perspective, and I tried incorporating new approaches in my work style, and it has surely helped. I feel more confident in what I do, and I certainly feel it's only going to get better. The journey has just began.